वेलकम बैक टू मास्टरी। दोस्तों आज होने वाली है प्रैक्टिस होगी। टॉपिक का नाम है वांट टू और वांटेड टू। दोस्तों जैसे कि आपको पता है कि कई बार हम बोलते हैं मैं खाना खाना चाहता हूं, मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूं, वो मुझसे मिलना चाहते थे, वह क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता था। तो ऐसे वाक्यों की प्रैक्टिस कैसे करेंगे? तो आज ये सारे बच्चे आपको प्रैक्टिस करके दिखाएंगे। ऑडियंस इनको सवाल पूछेंगे, ये उनके जवाब देंगे। दोस्तों आपको पता है कि अंग्रेजी में कॉपी में लिखने से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, इसीलिए ये सारे बच्चे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। आप भी ऐसी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को आखिर तक देखिए, आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला है क्योंकि बहुत सारे सवाल हम इनसे पूछने वाले हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Hi everyone. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Myself Kiran Birla from Sanawar. Today I am here to tell you the sentence in present and past by using with want to. Please ask me question.
वह मुझे पार्टी में आमंत्रित करना चाहता है।
First I am going to change in present tense by using the sentence is like that. वह मुझे पार्टी में आमंत्रित करना चाहता है। He wants to invite me in the party. He does not want to invite me in the party. Does he want to invite me in the party? Does he not want to invite me in the party? The sentence is like that in past tense. वह मुझे पार्टी में आमंत्रित करना चाहता था। He wanted to invite me in the party. He did not want to invite me in the party. Did he want to invite me in the party? Did he not want to invite me in the party? Thank you. Hello guys.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Please ask me a question.
मैं उसे क्षमा करना चाहती हूँ।
मैं उसे माफ़ करना चाहती हूँ। इन प्रेजेंट आई वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम। आई डू नॉट वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम। डू आई वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम? डू आई नॉट वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम? इन पास्ट मैं उसे माफ़ करना चाहती थी। आई वॉन्टेड टू फॉरगिव हिम। आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम। डिड आई वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम? डिड आई नॉट वॉन्ट टू फॉरगिव हिम? थैंक यू everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
मेरा भाई मुझे परेशान करना चाहता है।
My sentence is मेरा भाई मुझे परेशान करना चाहता है। In present, my brother wants to bother me. My brother does not want to bother me. Does my brother want to bother me? Does my brother not want to bother me? In past, मेरा भाई मुझे परेशान करना चाहता था। My brother wanted to bother me. My brother did not want to bother me. Did my brother want to bother me? Did my brother not want to bother me? Thank you.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
मैं बहुत सारे पैसे कमाना चाहती हूँ।
My sentence is मैं बहुत सारे पैसे कमाना चाहती हूँ। I want to earn a lot of money. I do not want to earn a lot of money. Do I want to earn a lot of money? Do I not want to earn a lot of money? In past, मैं बहुत सारे पैसे कमाना चाहती थी। I wanted to earn a lot of money. I did not want to earn a lot of money. Did I want to earn a lot of money? Did I not want to earn a lot of money? Thank you.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also good. My name is Kajal Jaiswal and today I will change the sentence in present and past with the use of want to and wanted to. So who will give me the sentence?
मेरा दोस्त मेरे सारे पैसे खर्च करना चाहता है।
मेरा दोस्त मेरे सारे पैसे खर्च करना चाहता है। दिस इज़ माई सेंटेंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल चेंज इन प्रेजेंट। मेरा दोस्त मेरे सारे पैसे खर्च करना चाहता है। माई फ्रेंड वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माई ऑल मनी। माई फ्रेंड डज नॉट वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माई ऑल मनी। डज माई फ्रेंड वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माई ऑल मनी? डज माई फ्रेंड नॉट वॉन्ट टू स्पेंड माई ऑल मनी? इन पास्ट मेरा दोस्त मेरे सारे पैसे खर्च करना चाहता था। माई फ्रेंड wanted to spend my all money. My friend did not want to spend my all money. Did my friend want to spend my all money? Did my friend not want to spend my all money? Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Hi.
Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Yamini Pawar. Please ask me a question.
भारतीय खिलाड़ी मैच जीतना चाहते हैं।
My sentence is भारतीय खिलाड़ी मैच जीतना चाहते हैं। In present,
Indian player want to win the match. Indian player do not want to win the match. Do Indian player want to win the match? Do Indian player not want to win the match? In past, भारतीय खिलाड़ी मैच जीतना चाहते थे. Indian player wanted to win the match. Indian player did not want to win the match. Did Indian player want to win the match? Did Indian player not want to win the match? Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hi. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? We are fine and you? I am also fine. Ask me question.
मैं कार किराए से लेना चाहती हूँ.
मैं कार किराए से लेना चाहती हूँ. In present. I want to hire car. I do not want to hire car. Do I want to hire car? Do I not want to hire car? In past. मैं कार किराए से लेना चाहती थी. I wanted to hire car. I did not want to hire car. Did I want to hire car? Did I not want to hire car? Thank you.
Good evening, guys. Good evening. How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Today I am here to giving the test by using the helping verb. The helping verb is wanted, wants to, and in past wanted to. Please give me a question.
वह सपने पूरे करना चाहता है.
वह सपने पूरे करना चाहता है. First I changing present. He wants to complete his dream. He does not want to complete his dream. Does he wants to complete his dream? Does he not want to complete his dream? In past, वह सपने पूरे करना चाहता था. He wanted to complete his dream. He did not want to complete his dream. Did he want to complete his dream? Did he not want to complete his dream? Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone. Hello. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Pyar Singh More. Today's topic want to and wanted sentence change. Ask me question.
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ.
मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ. I wanna teach English. I do not wanna teach English. Do I wanna teach English? Do I not wanna teach English? In past, मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ाना चाहता था. I wanted to teach English. I did not wanna teach English. Did I wanna teach English? Did I not wanna teach English? Thank you.
Everyone.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
भारत के लोग अमीर बनना चाहते हैं.
My sentence is भारत के लोग अमीर बनना चाहते हैं. In present, the people of India want to become rich. The people of India do not want to become rich. Do the people of India want to become rich? Do the people of India not want to become rich? In past, भारत के लोग अमीर बनना चाहते थे. The people of India wanted to become rich. The people of India did not want to become rich. Did the people of India want to become rich? Did the people of India not want to become rich? Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I'm also fine. Ask me question.
मैं फूल तोड़ना चाहती हूँ.
My sentence मैं फूल तोड़ना चाहती हूँ. I want to pluck the flower. I do not want to pluck flower. Do I want to pluck flower? Do I not want to pluck flower? In past, मैं फूल तोड़ना चाहती थी. I wanted to pluck flower. I did not want to pluck flower. Did I want to pluck flower? I did not want to pluck flower.
Hi everyone. My name is Nidhi Pawar. Ask me question.
मैं आसमान में उड़ना चाहती हूँ.
मैं आसमान में उड़ना चाहती हूँ. In present, I wanted to fly in the sky. I do not wanted to fly in the sky. Do I wanted to fly in the sky? Do I not wanted to fly in the sky? मैं आसमान में उड़ना चाहती थी. I wanted to fly in the sky. I did wanted to fly in the sky. I did not wanted to fly in the sky. Did I wanted to fly in the sky? Did I not wanted to fly in the sky?
My name is Shina Chaudhary. Please ask me question.
मैं आम लाना चाहती हूँ.
मैं आम लाना चाहती हूँ. I want to bring mango. I do not want to bring mango. Do I want to bring mango? Do I not want to bring mango? मैं आम लाना चाहती थी. I wanted to bring mango. I did not want to bring mango. Did I want to bring mango?
Did I not wanted to bring mango? Thank you.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me a question.
वह मुझे धक्का देना चाहता है.
वह मुझे धक्का देना चाहता है. He wants to push me. He does not want to push me. Does he want to push me? Does he not want to push me? In past, he wanted to push me. He did not want to push me. Did he want to push me? Did he not want to push me?
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
Ask me question.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहती हूँ.
In present, I want to speak English. I do not want to speak English. Do I want to speak English? Do I not want to speak English? In past, I wanted to speak to English. I did not wanted to speak English. Did I want to speak English? Did I not want to speak English? Everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Ask me question.
मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ.
मैं पानी पीना चाहता हूँ. I want to drink water. I do not want to drink water. Do I want to drink water? Do I not want to drink water? I wanted to drink water. I did not wanted to drink water. I did not want to drink water. Did I want to drink water? Did I not want to drink water?